Sri Alfred Kangam S. Arthur.
I, Alfred Kangam Shangshakoshi Arthur, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. मणिपुर में न्याय दिलाइए, देश बचाइए. Thank you.